Hi, I'm Bonnie Feaster, certified personal trainer and gym owner, and today I'm going to talk about unboxing your Isagenix weight loss pack. Whether you got the basic pack, the premium pack, or the value pack, hopefully I'll be able to kind of walk you through your box so you know what is what and how to take it. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible, but however, I do want to give you some hacks along the way. So this isn't just going to be a video on, basically what you could read on the labels. This is going to be more applicable, I think, on how to make this fun and enjoy these products and understand what each product is made for and how to use it. Starting with the Isagenix Supreme. The Isagenix Supreme is, to me, one of the most magical products that they offer, and sometimes the most misunderstood, because this is a lot of power in this bottle. Now, you might have gotten it in a liquid form, you could have gotten it in a box where they had single serving sticks, or it could have come in a canister like this. It does have different options for you, for your convenience. They're all just as great. And the main objective with the Isagenix Supreme, I call it my liquid magic, but it is to help regulate your cortisol levels. So it's incredible for combating stress. It helps mental clarity and energy, helps regulate your mood. It's amazing. Now, the one thing that I love about the product, and it does have a full vitamin B complex in there as well, great for energy too, but is it helps regulate your cortisol levels. So when your cortisol is low, it brings you to homeostasis. It brings you up, wakes you up in the morning. It's great to take. That's how I take it first thing in the morning. I just actually have a shot of it. It is potent, it's sweet. So it's made to dilute, so don't feel like you have to have a shot. Dilute it, use it as directed with water is fine. You can even put a shot in your protein shake or your meal replacement shake. It tastes and smells a lot like ripe bananas, so it actually will make your shake taste like you added a banana to it. Now, the one thing that I love about the Isagenix Supreme is not only does it wake you up in the morning, but you can actually take it at nighttime to help bring you down. So my husband, Steve, he's in the gym business as well, and he comes home after teaching a class, and he's, just motivated 40 people and blah, 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 and it all energized. He comes down and comes home and he needs to wind down, so he'll take some, and he makes a tonic, another hack for you. He'll use a little lemon juice. He'll use the Amped Hydrate, the orange flavor, which is great for electrolytes and that kind of things. That definitely helps him combat cramping, because he's a nighttime cramper. Not anymore, but that's what he used to struggle with. He'll do the lemon juice, hydrate, water, stevia, and some of the Isagenix, and he makes his nightly tonic, and that helps him wind down at night. He loves it. Again, you can't OD on it, so you don't have to take it just one time a day. I normally take it twice. I take it in the morning time, and then I almost always will make a little tea, another hack. I'll do lemon juice with Isagenix and a little bit of stevia, and I make kind of like a lemon tea over ice, and I drink that normally like mid-afternoon, just especially when I'm really honing in and trying to be mentally sharp. That's my office juice. So that's how I use the Isagenix Supreme. Now, going into the shakes, the next thing you want to pull out is your canister of Isagenix shake. Now, your pack comes with 4 canisters. That's because there's 14 servings in each canister, which means if you're like me, I do Isagenix shake in the morning time for breakfast. I'm in maintenance mode. Now, if you're not like me and you're in weight loss mode, you're gonna need 2 of the meal replacement shakes a day. So that means you'll need 4 canisters to get you through the whole month. If you're only doing them once a day, 2 canisters will last you for the first month, and the other 2 can go into the next month. The Isagenix shake is amazing because it's not just about reducing your calories. It's not like it's just a low calorie shake. There's plenty of that in the grocery stores, shelves. This is more about how much nutrition can we pack in a meal replacement shake to replace a meal that would be nutritious, but make it even more nutritious. So I want to be clear about this. I can make a meal that's 240 calories, 24 grams of protein, and 24 carbs, and 5 grams of fat, which is what an Isagenix shake is. I can do that on my own with eggs or Greek yogurt or whatever combination I want to make. I cannot make one that's this nutritious. It has 23 vitamins and minerals in it, digestive enzymes, probiotics. I cannot create that for only 240 calories. So it's an incredible way to get a lot of nutrition in a few calories. Now, if you don't need to lose weight, or you don't need to lose a lot of weight, You may opt to use a shake as a snack and not in replace of a meal. But the typical protocol for the weight loss pack is to replace 2 meals a day with meal replacement shake while you're on the system. So we're going to go into the exciting stuff, the cleanse. Now, cleanse for life, this is the next thing you're going to pull out. If you're one of my clients, I normally will do 1 container of powdered and 1 liquid because it comes with 2, and that way you have the option. If you get the liquid cleanse for life, same goes with the Isagenix Supreme. They need to be refrigerated after you open them. So the powder makes it more versatile to be able to take it to the office, travel and that kind of thing. I like to have them both in the house. There's 2 different flavors. There's peach mango and there's the traditional berry, which is what they started with. And you mix them with the water just as directed, and you'll drink 4 of those cleanse drinks a day on your cleanse days. So a typical day for you would be your Isagenix Supreme and your shakes on most of your regular days. And your Natural Accelerator is another great product that you would use mid-morning and mid-afternoon. This is a natural thermogenic fat burner. And at nighttime, you would have your Isoflush, which is magnesium-based, is healthy digestion. It's great, but it also helps you sleep. And believe it or not, they did some studies on sleeping and weight loss, and they found that people that were getting less sleep were losing half the fat that they were losing when they got the proper amount of sleep. So sleep is super important. So those are the products you would use on a traditional shake day, what Isagenix calls a shake day. On a cleanse day, it's totally different. Now, I don't recommend someone starting a cleanse day for at least, for me, a week in practicing using everything else and getting super healthy, because I like people to start their first cleanse day completely nourished, pouring all that good nutrition into their body. So they're entering their cleanse day just not lacking in any nutrients. You'll be a lot happier cleanser. Why? Because our cleanse day is paired with intermittent fasting. A lot of people say they fast, that they do intermittent fasting. And to be honest with you, we all fast because we fast at nighttime when we sleep. So if you sleep 8 hours, you fasted 8 hours. Intermittent fasting has different levels of benefits depending on the amount of time that you fast. So some people fast 12 hours, 16 hours, 18 or 24 hours, and those are can all have their value. But the magic starts happening after that 24-hour mark into the 36-hour and 48-hour time period. 36 hours is 1 day of true fasting. That means that if yesterday was Sunday, I ate dinner, I did not eat all day Monday, and I broke the fast on Tuesday morning. So that's a full day of fasting. That is our traditional fast and cleanse day, is we don't eat regular food during that day. We use our 4 Cleanse for Life drinks. We use our bundle, which was the Isoflush and the Natural Accelerator to help us get through the day. And we use these little magical little ditties. This is, they're called snacks, and they're little tablets like this. They look like a heartworm pill, is what they look like to me. But I kind of equate it like a Tums. When you have a sour stomach, you throw a Tums in and it helps, settle your stomach. These help regulate your blood sugar. They suppress your appetite. So when you're getting hungry and your stomach's starting to yell at you, you can have a couple of those and they'll suppress your appetite. We also have a new thing called Snack Bites that just came out. They're like a peanut butter ball. It's also cleanse day approved, and you can nibble on that to help suppress your appetite. And that's actually made to help curb your hunger. So those are a couple of the snacks that are typically the go-to main default on your basic pack, but you have other options to upgrade if you prefer. If you have a big chocolate sweet tooth, you might want to do the Isadelights, which is our healthy version of a chocolate, which are also cleanse day approved. But if you're like me, I don't crave sweets. I want my salty. This is Whey Thin. A Whey Thin this is 100 calories, 10 grams of protein. They also make them in a dairy-free version, this is our Harvest Thins, and it's 11 grams of protein. And this is something you can graze on throughout the day to get that salty crunch without breaking your fast. So Isagenix gives you these incredible products to help you get through your cleanse and fast day without being miserable. Last but not least, I love using the collagen bone broth, which is brand new. This is the vegetable flavor, which is my favorite. And I use that at dinner time. So when it's nighttime and I'm really craving a hot meal, I'll make a bowl of the collagen bone broth, which is also Cleanse Day approved. I'll put a little hot sauce in it and some seasonings and stuff. And it's so delicious to sip on, to get that hot, tasty, savory flavor without ruining and sabotaging your fast. Why does Isagenix fast and cleanse together? It's really brilliant. Intermittent fasting already has incredible benefits to your body. Everything from the human growth hormone to shedding dead, sick cells that are just need to be rejuvenated. We have a great filtering system that our body naturally has, and it has with our kidneys and liver. But we bog it down in all the foods that we pour into our body on a regular basis. So by intermittent fasting and giving your body and your digestive system a break, your body can focus just on all those stored toxins and getting your body cleansed of all of that. And the Cleanse for Life and all these products help you get through that and boost that detoxification process. So there you have it. Those are the key components in all the basic packs, whether you decided to get the AM PM vitamins, which I absolutely love with Isagenesis, or you got all the snack support like the isolean bars, chips, and all that kind of stuff that come in the premium and the value packs. Those are all additional things you can throw in your pack, but I hit on the core basics that are in all three of those packs. I hope that helped you a lot so that you now kind of know where to start and what everything does and how to use it, and maybe even try some of my hacks too. Have a good one.